If you work in video production, you know how critical it is to have tools that are not just functional, but reliable. Today, we're looking at the SmallRig and Riot 7-in-1 folding wrench set, a compact multi-tool designed specifically for filmmakers. Full disclosure, SmallRig sent me this tool for review, but I'm not being paid for this video, so everything you hear is my honest opinion. At first glance, the build quality is solid. It feels durable and compact, which is great for slipping into your pocket or gear bag unnoticed. It's designed to cover common filmmaker needs with features like the 4mm, 3mm, 2.5mm Allen wrenches, a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips head, and even a Torx T25 driver. And the folding design with multiple locking positions is a clever touch. It helps to get into tight spaces without fumbling around. I will say, you might want to still carry your standard Allen pack around with you or those straight tools in some cases where this may not get into those positions. That's a little tall to get in underneath a handle or something if you're tightening something up. In real world use, the SmallRig 7-in-1 wrench does its job well. It's super convenient to have all of these tools in one place, especially when you're rigging up cameras or adjusting accessories on set. The angle locking positions are especially useful when you're working with awkward setups. Sometimes a straight tool just doesn't cut it, but you go back to what I just said about the straight tools and sometimes you need them. So it goes both ways. That said, there is one area where I think it could be improved. The locking mechanism. Occasionally, when you're adjusting the tool's position, it doesn't fully engage or find the lock spot right away. It can feel like it's almost there, but then it slips out and it doesn't really slip into place as confidently as you like or expect it to. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you're in a rush or need precision. Aside from that, this is a really well thought out multi-tool. It's compact, lightweight, and genuinely useful for day-to-day use and production work. And let's be honest, having a tool that saves you from hunting for individual wrenches 85–90% of the time, or screwdrivers for that matter, is a win. So overall, the SmallRig and Riot 7-in-1 folding wrench set, mouthful, is a solid addition to any filmmaker's kit. Yes, the locking mechanism could be a little bit more refined, but the versatility and convenience it offers outweigh that minor drawback. If you're in the market for a compact multi-tool tailored for production, this is definitely worth considering. Well, that's it for this review. If you got anything from this, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to leave a comment down below. If you have a multi-tool that you go to of your own, let me know. Always interested in that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.